A little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Good shot for a single. Umpire brings the session to a close. It has been an interesting period of play. It's lunchtime and here's what's happened until now. He's growing in stature as well in this innings. That's hit hard. That's hit for 6. That's a great shot. High class, fabulous inning. It's an absolutely brilliant century that. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. Bowlers need to bowl tighter lines to him. They have to make sure it's not a daddy 100. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right lanes. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. These two gentlemen have played really well and have been finding the gaps at will. Important partnership this. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single.